All right.
Breaking news, a third golden ticket winner has been found.
It's going well. We're progressing through the acts. We're up to, we've done halfway through Act 2, so we're getting there. And today we're running through everything, getting everything polished and ready to go. So it's really exciting that it's going well.
Rehearsals are doing great, yeah, they're really fun. They're getting a lot more intense now, which is great.
The rehearsals are all, you can see all the little performances coming together, and you can really see the actual musical, the entire thing all together if you put all the bits and pieces together, and I feel like it's going to be amazing. I think it's going to be so fun. I'm having so much fun. I feel like everyone else is as well. We're all having a fun time.
It's like my favorite thing to look forward to every week, just spending rehearsal with all the other cast and roles.
Most of the kids here are getting headshots and getting all that makeup done, which is really great, and we're promotions for Instagram, Facebook, all that.
So basically, we just got the shots from the Johnny Depp Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie where Augustus, he's got the chocolate and he's and he's under him, and it looks really funny and it's really fun to do as well. And then we just got Miss Chorus to just wipe chocolate on my face to make it look like I stuffed my face with chocolate.
Yes, I'm very excited for Hotter. Just also to see the actual proportions of what we're performing on, because we kind of where we are when actually rehearsing changes a lot. So to see how big the stage is and to see how far it is, the depth, to know what we're working with will be helpful, especially for invisible corridors.